to MELCY'S kitchen. Tonight I'm going to cook chicken apritada or apritadang manok. Chicken casserole, chicken stew. We need a saucepan, spatula. Here are the ingredients. Of course, we have olive oil, garlic, onions, tomato, potato, carrots, beans, capsicum or bell pepper, and this is a chickpeas. The chicken pieces, 1.5 kilos. We have soy sauce, Filipino soy sauce, Hong Kong Chinese soy sauce, likamki, sweet soy, salt. This is a VEGETA, it's a vegetable extract. And this is a Knorr chicken cubes, chicken, bay leaves, tomato paste, cracked pepper. Okay, let's start cooking. Our pot is now hot and ready. We put 5 spoons of olive oil, garlic, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 large onion, chop. Let's let it simmer for about 3 minutes. 5 bay leaves or LAUREL. We put the tomato, 2 large chopped tomato. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, put the chicken. This is a chicken pieces, 1.5 kilos. It's chicken pieces. Some of it is skin on. Let it simmer about 10 minutes. Put the lid on. Let's check our chicken after 20 minutes. This is how it looks like.
Looking awesome.
Looking good. We now putting soy sauce, 1 cup of bora, chicken cubes, VEGETA or vegetable extract, powder, potato, carrots, cracked pepper, okay, leave it for about 5 minutes and then we'll come back, put the lid on and come back. Okay guys, let's check our potato if it's soft. Yep, it's nice and soft. The green beans, chickpeas, 1 can or 1 tin of chickpeas. They call it GARABANZOS sa Pilipinas. So GARABANZOS, 1 tin or 1 can. There's a bell pepper, 1 capsicum, 1 large. And mix it up. Let's put sweet soy sauce. And then we put 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. More pepper. A pinch of salt. And then let's mix it up. Oh, look at the color. We got yellow, green, very colorful.
It's yummy.
That's yes.
The sauce is now thicker too.
Tika, yeah. Just leave it for about 5 minutes until the sauce thicken. Tsaka yung gulay natin, let it cook for about 5 minutes. And then we'll come back. And then we taste it. Okay, put the lid on. Okay, after 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, let's check our chicken apritada. Oh, looks nice. Look at the sauce. Very colorful. Let's taste the sauce. Nice. You don't have to add anything. It's perfect. Turn off the heat. And let's serve it. Here's our chicken apritada. Yum. Looks nice. I learned this from my dad. Kay Papa. Mahilig siya magluto ng caldereta, apritada, menudo. Okay, let's serve with rice.
It's looking good.
And the sauce. Yum. So here's my chicken apritada. Or apritadang manok. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Just leave a comment if you want me to cook something else. See you next time at MELCY'S Kitchen.
Siopaw ka ba? Kasi kanina pa kita binubola-bola. Asang-asado ka na yun.
Thank you for watching. Amazing Kitchen. Bye, everyone.